Hello, once again, good afternoon to those who are watching this video during afternoon, good morning, or good evening, as to whatever time you are watching this recording. So once again, I have recorded this video in continuation to our topic in Module 7 on exploring Excel, okay? So last time, I have taught you about copy plus paste, sort, filter, and fill. And this time, I'm going to teach you another feature in Excel, which is transpose. Okay? So once again, I am sharing you this, ayan, transfer natin yung video ko. Okay, I'm sharing to you my Excel. Okay, and I know you also have a copy of this Excel. And you can also make use of your module. Open it on page 78. Then makikita niyo dyan yung transpose function. Okay? So, dito sa Excel natin, we can see that there is variables here under the region. So, region as a category, mayroong 5 variables under the region. So, may 5 variables which are Cavite, Batangas, Laguna, Rizal, and Quezon. So, and it has also its data. So, may data siya on the numbers of the local tourists and the tourists itself. Local tourist, ang ibig sabihin nun, it's from these provinces or these regions, and then tourists coming from the different regions. Okay? So, this data is arranged vertically. Ngayon, from the word transpose, we're going to transpose it horizontally. So, how are you going to do this? Okay? So, let me read to you this. When you need to switch or rotate cells, you can apply and paste the cells, but you can also simply use transpose option. Okay? So, number 1, as an example, we have here a data set arranged vertically. So, as what I have told you before, it is arranged vertically. So, to arrange the data horizontally, click on an empty cells and type transpose. Okay? So, for example, dito ko gusto ilagay sa column G. Okay? So, click an empty cell and then type transpose. When you type transpose also, always begin with the equal sign. And then type transpose. Okay, so this is the function transpose. Okay. When you click that one, so may lalabas na transpose and then open parenthesis. Okay? So after typing the formula, so this is the formula, the equal transpose, you can see that there is a guide below. So this is the guide below. So transpose, open parentheses, array, and then the close parentheses. This array here refers to the range of the cells. Range. Okay? Halimbawa, ang range is, halimbawa sa inyo, sa klase nyo, range A to Z. Okay? So, sa class record ko, sino yung mga estudyante na may apelyedo na A hanggang Z. So, yung A to Z talaga na range. Meron ding mga range na age yung gagawin natin na range. So, or halimbawa, it is very applicable in your, sa socio-demographic profile ng respondents nyo, di ba? Naka-range yung age doon. So, from 15 to 20 years old. So, yan yung range niya, from 15 to 20 years old. Okay? And then, and so on and so forth. So, range. Okay? So, ang array dito, it means, it simply means the range of the cells. Okay? So, for example, this one, the range, or halimbawa, itong buong table na to, ang isasali natin. So, it's from range A3 hanggang C8. Okay? And then, and in the example, we're going to start with A3. So, pwede mong i-type ang A3 diretso or pwede mo ding i-click itong A3 na cell. And don't forget the symbol colon. Okay, colon. And then, aabot ka A3 hanggang C8 ang sabi natin, di ba? Okay. So, tignan nyo, it's already highlighted. And then, do not forget the close parentheses. And then, enter, and this is it. Okay? Ta-da! So, this is the vertical arrangement of the data set. And this is the horizontal arrangement of the data set. Okay? Region, so andito na yung Cavite, Batangas, Laguna, Rizal, Quezon, and then the local tourists and the tourists. Okay? So, ganyan na yung arrangement niya. So, ganyan lang yung pag-transpose natin. Okay? So, I hope you understand, and that's all for today. Goodbye and God bless. Keep safe.